Hello students, today we will learn the rules of summation in statistics. So what is summation? It's a Greek letter. It is also known as a capital sigma and we call it summation or sigma while doing any numericals. We use summation to show addition of series of numbers. Now for example, summation I equal to 1 to n. There are n number of observations starting from 1 to n. Now we will focus on the rules. The rules are as follows. The first rule is given as this. Here we can see that summation is applied to both the variables x and y. And on the right hand side, we can see that summation is applied to xi and yi in a segregated way. This rule is known as distributive rule. Here xi and yi are both variables. Summation is distributed among xi and yi. We will now move to rule number 2. Summation remains applied to the variable but not to a constant number. C pops out to the left of summation to show the application. Here we can observe that C pops out to the left of the summation. Now we will move to rule number 3. From the previous rule, we can observe that summation does not apply to a constant number. Here the variable is not present, so summation converts to n on the RHS. Here we can see that summation converts to n on the right hand side. Now the rule number 4. This rule is a combination of rule 1 and rule 3. Here we can observe that summation is applied to a variable and a constant in a different way. Here we can see when summation is applied to both xi and as well as to the constant c, summation remains applied to the variable xi but changes to n in the right hand side. Hope you all have understood the topic. If yes, drop a like.